Weight, heavy and light. Hey there, curious minds! Welcome to another exciting learning adventure. Today, we're going to explore the world of weight, what it is, and the concepts of heavy and light. First things first, what is weight? Well, weight is the force with which an object is pulled towards the Earth. This force, Earth's gravity, pulls everything towards its center. So whether you're on a trampoline watching leaves fall or seeing snowflakes descend, you feel weight. Now, let's talk about heavy and light. Objects can be heavy or light depending on how much they weigh. Picture a stone and a balloon. Which one do you think is heavy? That's right. The stone is heavy and the balloon is light. Heavy objects weigh a lot, and light objects don't weigh as much. It's like comparing a big watermelon to a tiny berry. Which one do you think is heavy? That's right. The book is heavy and the feather is light. You can even try this at home. Pick up different objects and see which ones feel heavy and which ones feel light. Remember, every object on Earth has weight, and it's all because of gravity. So, whether you're lifting your backpack, playing with toys, or simply exploring the world around you, you're experiencing the magic of weight. Until next time, stay curious and keep on learning. Bye-bye.